Of all the group hunters on Earth, these are among the biggest. In their African homeland, lions sit at the top of the food chain. To survive, lions rely on teamwork. A time-tested strategy will be used against the warthogs.
Sup guys, Lion here from Lion Shield, bringing you once again another episode of SurvivalWildness. Today I'm joined by one of the new members, and his name is... Where'd he go? Oh, Puppy Studios! Are you alive? Look guys, he's wearing the merch. Make sure you get it. Skin seed at lionstudios.com. I'm kidding. It's at Lion Studios on Skin Seed. Is he alive? You don't have your stuff? Okay, hold on. Okay, puppy, here's your stuff since you don't have it. There you go. 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 Okay, let's go. Let me tell them to follow me. Follow me. We're going to be mining for clay because we're going to be doing something. We're going to be doing something special, and I already started on it, but yeah. Okay. So for coral, if you're watching this video, let me if you guys ever need some clay, you guys ever need say you're watching my videos and then you join Survival Wildness and you really need clay. If you ever need clay, just look at this video and you will know the secret tunnel. Yeah, that's right. BJ did this secret tunnel. Come on, buddy, let's go. Oh, this cave is booby trapped, by the way. That soul sand is a booby trap. Alright, so let's go. Okay, so we're under the museum right now. So yeah, hold on, let me... We under... museum. Let me take a little peek. Oh, I saw a lion statue. Alright. Let's keep going. I'm kind of multitasking right now. So I'm playing Minecraft and I'm trying to drink water. Are you behind me? Alright, come on. We can use this. We can use this as like to build stuff in this sand biome. Alright, so the only thing I really need is orange clay, but Puppy can mine whatever. Okay, Puppy, let me show you where all the good clay is. all the good clay is in this area. So let me go ahead and tell him. All the good clay is around this area. Mine whatever clay. Why do I keep saying that? Clay you need. Alright, so I'm gonna need like a bunch of orange clay. Oh, let me show them where the blue clay is. Is there even blue clay in this mountain? Hold on. Okay, so you got... Where's the blue clay? Is there any blue clay? Nope, there's no more blue clay. There's no blue clay. Alright, so let's go back. Sorry, puppy, you had to do all that. But... Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, it's super laggy. Who's joining? Oh, it's just me and him. Alright, guys, since we're mining, let's go ahead and talk about... Alright, so, about new series. Yeah, Alone, we're doing pretty good in that series. And, Cooking with Chain Chain Bang Bang. To me, it seems like a lot of people like Chain Chain Bang Bang, so... I'm gonna be doing more skits with him. But right now, he can't really play right now. Because, like, he's busy doing something. So, yeah. And more skits is gonna be on the way. I'm like kind of working on one. It's gonna be called like if Puppy Studios ran for president, or if Hoppy 123 ran for president. I'm just thinking about some skits. Okay, so I'm gonna need a bunch of orange clay. Puppy, this is my orange clay. Back off my orange clay, or I will rip you to pieces. Okay, I'm kidding. Why would I do that? That's my best friend. Alright. And also, about the channel. I have 91 subscribers. Come on, guys. We can make it to 100. If we make it to 100, I'll do like a channel overload where like I do a bunch of movies and series and videos and skits and stuff. I'll take that. Oh, thought you were AFK. Okay, so see you guys once I get a bunch of clay. Alright guys, so far I mined a big hole in this tunnel, so I'm just gonna keep on going and then we can go home, puppy. Okay guys, so far me and puppy, we have mined this whole thing. Right here, this will be the man cave for like all men, no woman allowed. I'm not trying to be like sexist or anything. But that's gonna be our chill spot. That's gonna be everybody's chill spot. Matter of fact, and I got a bunch of clay, but I really needed the orange clay, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 stacks of clay, orange clay, and that's just what I need. I think that's enough. Oh, he's. Oh, while we're at it, let's go ahead and take some stuff. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Right. Oh, I'm out of space. Alright, I'm out. Alright, come on. Puppy! Come here! I'm just kidding. I think I already been here. Yeah, I already been here. There's no villagers. Did all the villagers die? Two orange flowers. That's exactly what I need. Thank you so much. Alright. All the villagers are dead. Oh, never mind. Puppy, you coming? Oh, okay, he's right behind me. Let's make it back home. Do I have any more storage? Let me take out the seeds and I'm gonna take some cactuses. Come here, cactus. Ow, ow, ow. Stupid cactus. I need you for die. What did I just see? Oh. Look at all this stuff. I can't take it. Put that string right there. Ooh. Oh, I need those nether bricks. Let me put a chest right there. Okay, so carrot, door, nether brick. Yes, I got the nether brick. Alright, let's get out of here. My pickaxe is about to break. I'm gonna have to Oh, here goes some iron. Puppy. There goes iron for you. There goes some iron for you. Oh, he got it. Never mind. Alright, so I'm gonna wait for him. Is there more iron? Ooh, there's more iron. Puppy, it seems like you hit the jackpot, bro. Oh, he don't want to get that iron, but okay. Alright, so we're gonna keep on going. I'm gonna stop by the museum. Hold on, let me see. Okay, so we mined our way into the museum. Let me go ahead. Cover my tracks. Oh, shoot. Nobody shall ever know that we have broken in the museum. Alright. Oh, never mind, puppy. Alright, so you can look around. Alright, so puppy can look around. Look at this lion statue I made. I love this lion statue. I should make it in my castle. Yeah, I'm gonna make it next to my castle. No, I'm gonna make it to the sides of my old gateway to my castle. And look at Grace's little wolf. Look, Grace, I write my butt on your wolf. Might as well just call it the butt wolf. Alright, so I'm gonna let Puppy look around and I'll just wait. I forgot the heroes of survival wellness. I forgot about this. I'm gonna add some people. I'm gonna have some more people. Yeah, I'm gonna add some more people. Alright. Real point of SurvivalWildness. What is this chest for? Oh, I forgot. It's a map of Zootopia. Okay, nothing's in there. Might as well just take that chest. Alright. And what is this? Survival Wellness, aka Lions Families. Lions Family Side, Grace Gaming, Lion Maker, Page Dependa, Blue Sparkle Side, Blue Sparkle Wolf Poke, BJ Master Side, BJ Master Fluffy Diamond, Devil Kitty. Alright. Mini Guy, Pebbles, Facekin, Sexy Swag Team, Purple Sparkle. Oh, I remember these people. It was good times back then. It was real fun, but it's all gone. Survival on the problem. Enemies are enemies. Our enemy is Lone Chunky. He stabbed Lion in the back and he was a good friend but became a bad person. Meanness, there is a lot of going through survival, so that's why we have the peace treaties and laws. Alright, puppy, I wanna show you something. Alright, so let's show puppy something real quick. This isn't what I was gonna show him, but I just want to give her a hug. Feel the love. Feel the love. Feel the love. Hey, puppy, why you stepping on her, bro? I'm kidding. You're not stepping on her. Okay, there's something else. If you wanna see the funeral, watch episode. Hold on. Let me find it out real quick. I'm finding it. It's probably like episode 33. No. Come on. I have so many freaking subscriptions. I can't even find me own channel. Alright, SurvivalWildness. Let me go in the series. Probably like, alright, so she was like watch episode 35. Okay, come on. Alright. Oh, it's getting nighttime. I'm so sorry about the police sirens. I live on a busy street where there's a bunch of crimes and stuff, and like a bunch of stuff happens. Oh, why is it so laggy in this area? Who's joining? Zexy's joining. And I'm about to leave too. You joined at the wrong time, brother. But okay. Alright, so this is the map. That's the map. Hi. Okay. Peace treaty. This is the peace treaty. It's awesome. Feel the love. Well, hopefully you guys did enjoy this episode. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye.